Online registration is not mandatory for COVID 19 vaccination, the Union Health Ministry said on Tuesday. Any adult can go to the nearest vaccination center, perform the on site registration, and receive the vaccine during the same visit, it added. The statement issued by PIB went on to say that CoWIN platform is just one of the many modes of registration for vaccination apart from walk ins. Health workers or ASHAs mobilize beneficiaries in rural areas and urban slums to opt for on site registration to expand vaccination coverage, the statement added. It also added that out of the total 24.84 crore vaccine doses recorded on CoWIN app till June 13th, 19.84 crore doses, which is nearly 80%, have been administered through on site registration. A few days after Mukul Roy returned to Trinamool Congress, the once rebel TMC MP Sunil Mondal on Tuesday spoke out against the Bharatiya Janata Party. He said, I feel BJP has a trust deficit about many of us. We are not getting adequate space here. It seems BJP cannot tolerate those who have come from the TMC. Ironically, Mondal lashed out at Suvendu Adhikari, with whom he had joined the Saffron camp, along with a host of TMC leaders at a gala ceremony presided by Amit Shah before the election. He said, Suvendu has not kept a single word he gave me, so I don't want to talk about him. He further said, do you think it is possible for those who came from outside to win the hearts and minds of people of Bengal? Mondal asked, criticizing the BJP central leadership as outsiders. The Jharkhand government has announced black fungus as an epidemic, the Chief Minister's office informed on Tuesday. Apart from Jharkhand, black fungus cases have also been reported in states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, among others. Mucormycosis or black fungus is caused by a group of molds present naturally in the environment. It spreads through the nose and affects other parts of the body, such as the eyes. Diabetics are said to be more vulnerable to the infection. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan on Tuesday said that the lockdown restrictions will be eased in the state from June 17th. Relaxation will be allowed based on the test positivity rate at local self-governing body level. On Monday, the test positivity rate in Kerala was 11.26%. The state also witnessed a 20% fall in the number of cases in the last 1 week. Kerala had gone into a complete lockdown since May 8th. Bharat Biotech said on Tuesday that the supply price of its COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin to the central government at 150 rupees per dose is not competitive or sustainable in the long run. Hence, a higher price of Covaxin in private markets is required to offset part of the cost, Bharat Biotech said. Justifying Covaxin's higher price when compared to other COVID-19 vaccines for the private sector in India, Bharat Biotech said that fundamental business reasons ranging from low procurement volume, high distribution cost, and retail margins, among few others, contribute to higher pricing of the vaccine. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.